Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's install, I got this bomb wig, and it's probably one of my favorite wigs that I've installed in a long time. The video is kind of all over the place just because I started filming in the morning, but then my camera decided to not work anymore. Then I finished right now, and this is how the hair looks. So good. I'll show the hair in full detail in the video, but if you guys want to see how I installed this wig from Megalook, then keep on watching. Alright, so I've already done my bald cap method, and this is like a different type of wig cap. They're like sending these out, I guess. Anyways, let me show you the wig. So here it is. It is so pretty. I love this color. It's a bit different than the last highlight wig that I wore because this one has more like black lowlights in it, I guess that's what it is. But I love the contrast because it's like a really bright highlight, and it's just so bomb. And it's really cool tone, which is surprising because most of the time they're highlight wigs that you buy off these sites are like more on the warmer side. So this looks really cute. I hope the quality's good, but here is what the lace looks like. I did bleach the knots. The only thing is this is an HD lace. This is just transparent lace, so not my favorite, but we'll still make it work. I'm just gonna go put foundation on the lace, and then I will come back to install it. Alright, so here is the wig on. Already looking really good. The lace isn't really like easy to work with. I did have to cut the sides so that it fit properly, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm just gonna clip back some of the hair. Now I'm just gonna mark out where I'm going to glue this, and of course I'm just using a regular eye pencil like usual. And I do want to glue it down a little lower just because I don't want any glue on my hairline really. I think this should be okay. This hairline is really hard to work with. Okay. This is good. Okay. Alright, I've got the outline. And now I'm just going to clean off that area with alcohol and then get to gluing. Now for glue, I'm going to be using my favorite, of course, the Bold Hold Active, and I'll be applying about 2 to 3 layers. Alright, so it's pretty much dry. I think it kind of mixed with what I had on before for the wig cap, so it's kind of looking weird, but we're going to make it work. So now just match up the dots and press hard. And then I press down to make sure it's really stuck before switching to the other side. Okay, it's stuck. I really want a facelift with this look, so I'm gonna press down. Now I'm just gonna cut out my ears before I put the melting band on, and also cut off some excess lace because there's so much lace. Perfect. Now they did give me a melting band, so let's try it out. Let me just clip this hair back first. Oh, I'm loving this color. It's the pink one, cute. Alright, I'm just gonna let that do its thing, and then I'll be right back for styling. While it's melting, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the rest of the hair in pretty large sections. And I'm just using my Hot Tools curling iron, the same one that I always use pretty much. Cute. Oh, what the heck? Why is it at the lowest setting? That was not on purpose. And it still didn't need to do that. Cute. Before I move on to the next section, I'm just going to cut the lace. Okay. There is some glue that came out, but I'll fix that in a bit. Now I'm just going to use some scissors and cut the lace off. Okay, so it doesn't look too bad. I feel like I might have put it on a little lopsided just because this part is mostly blonde, but it's okay, it works. It works. And I think the lace is blending pretty well, even though it is transparent. I don't think I need to add any tint just yet, or maybe just a little bit just to be safe. And I'm also going to put some melting spray now. Shoot. I got this mousse that has a tint. I might add a bit of this actually, because now that I see it, I think it does work. I'm just going to go lightly. It's this lace mousse. I've never seen this before. But especially for these areas, that works great. I think it's a little warm, so I will be careful. But I always feel like the sides are always darker. Just be gentle. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add any tint to the top just yet. Don't want this to be too dark. Okay, but I will add some melting spray. And this is the Wig Dealer melting spray, of course. Perfect. And back with their melting band. Alright, and then I'm just gonna finish up the curls and I'll be right back. Alright, I've pretty much curled the back, like all of the back. All I have left is the frontal, but first we need to pull out our baby hairs. Let's see the melt. Oh, still stuck. Damn. Woo. Okay, it's super melted. I'm so shocked. Where is the lace? Okay guys, that tint worked amazing. It worked hella good. Thank you, Kelvin. Kelvin is the one that put me on. He's another stylist that works in my mom's hair salon. But I love it. Look at this. So you definitely need a tint for this lace because it's on the lighter side. Now baby hairs. Definitely want them on the dramatic side. Okay, so I'm just going to start pulling out the pieces that I want as edges and everything. Then we'll lay them. So this is what I'm thinking of doing with my edges. Kind of messy, but we'll see if I like it. I'm just not 100% sure. But it's okay. I think it should be fine. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them, lay them, and then I'll wrap it one more time. And then I'm going to take my Lotta Body Loose and lay them down. Alright, a little switch up. So my camera card was full and I couldn't find the other one, so I had to go to work and everything. But here is how the hair is looking. I curled it a bit earlier, but I'm just going to touch up the front and then I'll be all done. Here's how the edges looked. All I did was take off the band and then just cut them a little bit shorter, but that's literally it. And I'm just going to curl now. I swear something bad always happens to me when I'm filming, so of course. Just gonna touch it up with the hot comb, but I do like how the part is. It's literally perfect. Alright, then lastly, just gonna brush everything out. Like this color, probably one of my favorite wigs, like colored wigs especially, because everything about it is just giving love this hair. So cute, the best blonde, like the best highlight type of blonde, because I love ashy blondes and this is perfect. So it's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I highly recommend this wig. Of course, all the information about this wig will be in the description down below. And if you guys enjoyed, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video.